Constant improvement's the name of the game. My name's Bliesner and I'm the operations manager here at Burke and Wills. I'm responsible for handling the day-to-day operations here at the joinery factory, so mainly communication between departments, deadlines, productivity. Nexvia was in place, but there was no one really leading the charge with Nexvia. They said, here, learn this program, get it across all departments. It's very user-friendly. It was very easy for me to learn as far as software programs go. I come into this industry with zero knowledge about joinery at all, so Nexvia was pretty straight up and down, goes through each department, pretty straightforward. My favourite feature, probably being able to see all the projects in one section, being able to see everything from where it comes in, where it goes out, who's responsible. So having a platform where all your information is stored in one place, for example the document centre, we could put shop drawings, we could put quotes, we can put anything that's related, you can put email change, you can put anything that's related to that job in that job folder, and that way it's all in one place. That way if there's a changeover, someone's looking for that information, it's all on Nexvia. I just think the main problem that companies have is communication. I get email alerts every step of the way. When it goes out in the factory, if there's any questions, I've always got my foreman who can refer back to Nexvia for hours, what's in the assembly, if anything's missed on the hardware side of things. So it covers all my bases, so there's nothing ever missing. Variations in Nexvia make it easy for me to see where the costs are associated of a job and where they're going. We're constantly getting a phone call from our project managers, hey, I need you to add this. It's like, cool, send a variation, have it sorted. So our communication between site and our office team is very usable. So I can always just click and drag, send it back to my site team, and that way the communication line's there. Nexvia's been great to be able to track productivity, especially, like being able to see my assembly team's hours throughout the job. That way I can get answers in real time instead of after the fact. Even if you just look at my administration, the amount of time it takes her to track times manually on a piece of paper. So it would save one person a full day, let alone everything else Nexvia does. Nexvia definitely help with the team's efficiency, that's for sure. I actually do the project wrap-ups at the end of a project. So I'll go into the project, look at it from start to finish. I'll check variations, I'll check who ran over what on hours, and then that's what I send the wrap-up of the hours and dollar value to our managing directors. So it's great for project overview. It's good to track it through a project as well, so I can see whether we're running over on expenses, costs, hours, and then that way we can kind of make changes on the go instead of retrospectively after the job.